Alright, so if you're still blasting cold emails manually, you're doing it wrong. In this video, I'm going to show you how to automate your entire cold outreach system inside GoHighLevel. So you can start sending cold emails smarter, you follow up on your leads faster, and close more deals on autopilot without stress. But right before we dive in, let's give a big shout out to GoHighLevel for sponsoring this video. Thank you so much, GoHighLevel, because this is the all-in-one tool that I personally use to run cold email campaigns, automate my follow-ups, and manage all my leads every single day, all from one simple dashboard. So if you're serious about sending cold emails that actually land in the inbox and convert, you would want to check it out today. And I've also added a special link just for you down in the video description box below. So go ahead and create your free account right here on GoHighLevel. So once you've been able to create your free account on GoHighLevel, the first step we have to take is to upload our lead list. So this is the first step we have to take. Now come over to the contact tab and you want to click on import right here. Now select the first option you're seeing here, then click on next. Now proceed with uploading your lead list from your device. Now once you are done with that, you should get the message that says 100% uploaded. Then click on next to continue. So from here, proceed with mapping the fields required to create new contact on your GoHighLevel account. So once done, you should proceed with clicking on next to continue. And finally, you have to confirm your imported leads. And once you've been able to confirm and everything is looking so good, go ahead and click on bulk upload. And here we go, guys. You can see all our targeted leads already imported into our GoHighLevel account. You can see very easy and straightforward to do. So once you've been able to upload your email list, the next step we have to take is to start creating cold email campaigns. And I need you to follow me closely so you can start creating your own cold email campaigns anytime you want to. So the next step you have to take is to come over to the marketing tab, all right, and under the email section you want to click on campaigns, and right from here you can start your hundreds of campaigns with this very button, so make sure to click on it. So now proceed with selecting your writing experiences, as you can choose from 3 different options available on GoHighLevel. For me, I prefer the plain text option, as I also recommend this to beginners. Now, once you've been able to choose that, go ahead and give your campaign a name. From here, it becomes so easy with your email copy. So go ahead and write your email copy, and also maybe you've copied it from somewhere, you can paste it right here. Now, GoHighLevel is kind of different from other cold email tools that I've been working with lately, but the results are just so genuine and better in terms of following up with leads and closing deals. So right from your right hand side, you can see we have some buttons here, and I'm going to explain all of them to you. Now the first 3 dots you are seeing, if you click on it, here you can see so many options. Now the first option you have is to send a test email to yourself. The second option is for you to preview your email template. The third one here is for you to see your version history. And lastly is if you care to add some files to your campaign, you can do that by clicking on this one right here. And now the save button is for you to save your work manually, but you don't really have to use it. Why? Because on GoHighLevel, you have it on auto save by default, so you don't have to lose your work when working. And the other button here is for sending your email when you're finally ready to send. So now that you understand all of these buttons, now how do you add some personalization to your work? This is very simple and easy to do. Now come back to your email body, and right from here you want to come over to this place that says custom values. Now click on custom values, and from here you want to select contact. And here we go, guys. You can see that we have some personalizations that we can impute into our message body. So for me, I'm just going to go ahead with contact first name. So whenever I'm sending my emails, they are going to be finding their name attached to my email body. Very good. And this would help you avoid those spam folders. So once you've done that, you can proceed to either sending your emails immediately, or you can schedule it right from the various options you've got here. You can also enter your sender email directly from here, but before sending anything, guys, listen to this. You need to connect your sender and make sure to verify your domain and warm it up before you start sending your cold emails for better inbox rates. Now, once you've done that, you want to go ahead and add your sender name. To me, this is optional as well, and you can also select your recipients for this email campaign. Now, one of the super thing about GoHighLevel is the fact that you can track how your campaigns are performing by turning all of this on. And again, with GoHighLevel, you can resend emails to people who have not opened your emails after some hours of sending. And this is a key feature for any bulk cold email sending tool. So here we go, guys. You can see you have all the information you need to start sending cold emails from your warmed up domain using GoHighLevel. So for me, I'm going to save this up right here because this is just a demo tutorial to show you guys how you can use GoHighLevel to start sending thousands of cold emails every single day. And now you can see the good result that I have on my screen. I took the same step I just shared with you, and you can see the result I am getting from this result. So if you follow the exact steps that I've showed you, you'd have no issues trying to send cold emails directly from GoHighLevel. So I need you to go ahead, get yourself a free account on GoHighLevel. Now practicalize what I've showed you to start sending cold emails. So if you found this video helpful, I want you to hit the like button, subscribe if you haven't done that for more GoHighLevel tutorials and cold email tutorials every single day. And yes, if you're not using GoHighLevel yet, I've got a free link for you to test out things right here on GoHighLevel. It's the same setup I use every single day. So I also want you to enjoy all of the features that I enjoy on GoHighLevel. So click the link below to get yourself a free account and start sending thousands of cold emails whenever and wherever you want to. And I'll see you in my other video. Please take care of yourself and bye.